gaming desktops today need to strike a balance between raw power, reliability, and aesthetics, and this Gamer Master gaming desktop PC manages to do just that. From the outside, it presents a clean, modern case design with tempered glass panels that show off the internal components, giving it a premium look without unnecessary flash. But the real story is inside, where the hardware is designed to handle modern games and demanding workloads without compromise. At the heart of this system is an Intel Core i7 processor. This CPU is more than capable of handling high-end gaming and productivity tasks. Whether it's competitive online titles or complex creative work like video editing and 3D rendering, it performs consistently, keeping things smooth and responsive. Multi-core performance ensures that background applications won't interfere with gaming sessions, so you can stream, record, and game simultaneously without hiccups. Memory is another highlight. With 32 gigabytes of RAM, this desktop provides plenty of headroom for multitasking. You can have multiple programs open, stream gameplay, and still run resource-heavy applications seamlessly. For gamers and content creators, this amount of memory ensures that the system feels fast and capable even under heavy workloads. Storage is handled by a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD, which provides high-speed access to your files, games, and applications. Boot times are nearly instant, and loading large games or transferring massive files takes just seconds. This is a major upgrade over traditional drives and a feature that drastically improves the everyday experience of using the PC. Graphics are powered by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 with 6 GB of GDDR6 memory. This GPU handles modern games at 1080p with high settings easily, and it can even push into 1440p for less demanding titles. Ray tracing brings enhanced realism to games that support it, while DLSS improves frame rates without compromising visual quality. It's a capable card for both gaming and creative work, striking a balance between affordability and performance. Connectivity is future-proofed with Wi-Fi 6 support, ensuring fast, stable wireless connections for online gaming and streaming. The desktop includes a full array of ports, from USB and HDMI to DisplayPort and audio jacks, making it easy to hook up monitors, VR headsets, and peripherals without extra adapters. Windows 11 Pro comes pre-installed, providing a modern interface, improved security, and features like Auto HDR and direct storage that enhance gaming performance. Switching between applications is smooth, and the system stays responsive even under heavy workloads. Thermal management is impressive for a pre-built desktop in this range. The case is designed for efficient airflow, keeping components cool while minimizing fan noise. Even during extended gaming sessions, the system remains quiet and efficient, allowing you to focus on the gameplay without distractions. The desktop also offers excellent upgradability. The interior is spacious, making it simple to add more storage, upgrade RAM, or swap in a higher-end GPU in the future. This means the system can grow with your needs, providing long-term value. LED lighting adds a subtle touch of style without overpowering the design. It's customizable, so you can match it to your peripherals or personal preference, and the tempered glass side panel lets you showcase the components. In practice, this PC handles AAA games, competitive esports titles, and creative workloads with ease. Frame rates remain smooth, visuals are sharp, and the system maintains stability during demanding tasks. For content creators, the combination of fast storage, powerful CPU, and ample RAM makes video editing and rendering efficient and reliable. Overall, this Gamer Master gaming desktop PC offers an excellent mix of performance, style, and flexibility. It's a strong choice for anyone looking to upgrade their gaming setup or dive into PC gaming for the first time. It provides high performance without overcomplicating things and delivers long-term value thanks to its upgrade potential and modern hardware. For those ready to level up their gaming experience, the link to purchase is available in the description. It's a quick and convenient way to get a high-performance system delivered directly to your door.